Yeah, these are the days that dreams are made of. I'm speechless. It's so much fun getting out here.
Yeah, we can't thank the school enough. They support us with everything we do. And you know, both of our families, you know, they've been with us, they've been supportive. We've worked our way up from juniors when we were like 13 and 14 all the way up to now, fishing high school.
They're going to need 19 pounds and 2 ounces right here in the middle, Clarkson. 18 pounds even, going to put them in second place. Your host school, Clarkson University.
It's unreal. We are so happy to be here on our home turf, competing with the best in the world. It's like a dream come true. These are the days dreams are made of, and I'm just speechless.
It's been a great 4 years. The team's definitely grew. We started with 8 people, 10 people. We have up to 40 members now. It's been great to see the team grow. We've definitely learned a lot, gotten to travel all over the country. Saw a lot of places that I wouldn't see, so I'm grateful for the opportunity for the university to support our club. And it leaves you hungry for the next one. Fishing is a very humbling sport.
18 pounds and 14 ounces. So, Clarkson University, 6th place.
We are here to grow, here to bring attention to the school.
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for supporting us.